Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about Top 8 Ways to Make Money on Amazon. It's hard to believe Amazon started off as a small website selling used books. The world's largest retailer is now worth over $1.7 trillion. Now you too can make money on Amazon. Amazon isn't just your go-to place for online shopping. The company also produces TV shows and movies through Amazon Studios. Amazon also owns Whole Foods, Zappos, IMDb, Audible, Goodreads, and Twitch.tv, to name a few. As the company grows, so has its marketplace for sellers. Because the company offers so many different services and products, there are even more options to earn money with Amazon. Top ways to earn money with Amazon. If you're ready to explore ways to make money with Amazon, these are some of your best options. Number 1. Sell a product using Amazon's FBA. FBA means Fulfilled by Amazon, and as a seller, all you would need to do is ship your inventory of products to Amazon's warehouse, and they take care of shipping it for you. Some merchants choose to ship out products themselves, in order to avoid hefty fees Amazon charges. There are pros and cons of doing this, but if your product sells in high volume, it makes the most sense to ship via FBA. Out of all the options listed in this article, becoming a seller has the greatest opportunity for you to cash in on extra income, but it also involves the most amount of research and uncertainty. Before you start, you first need to have an understanding what it entails. You run the risk of losing money if you don't do your due diligence first. Number 2. Private label your pro seller. In order to avoid some of the competition on Amazon, many sellers have opted to private label their item, which means they are registering it on Amazon as their own. The process for private labeling is more complicated than simply buying an item from Alibaba and selling it. The upside to selling your own branded product on Amazon is that you always have full control for your listing, and you can make changes to your product if you need to. Let's say your customers complained about a particular feature of your product. You could then make modifications to it. For example, let's say you sold pencils, but noticed a lot of the negative reviews mentioned that they wished the eraser worked better, and that the pencil itself was wider for better grip. You can then take those recommendations from reviewers and craft your own pencil, and get it trademarked. Check out this guide on how to sell on Amazon from a 7-figure seller. Number 3. Retail arbitrage. This is the opposite of private labeling. Retail arbitrage simply means buying low and selling high. Some sellers make their entire living on just retail arbitrage, and have carved out a lucrative niche for themselves. A lot of sellers who do retail arbitrage try to avoid the cost of shipping, i.e. shipping from China is very expensive and eats into your profits, so they simply drive directly to the location and load up on cheap items they think will sell. Therefore, many sellers spend a lot of time cruising through their local Walmarts to find the best and cheapest deals on just about anything. They buy up as many items that are on clearance and then sell it on Amazon. I heard a podcast on Side Hustle Nation where a couple made their full-time living on retail arbitrage on Amazon and made over $1 million in sales every year. Their strategy was pretty simple. They went to their local Walmart and use an app to scan items to see how much it's selling for on Amazon. Check out this useful comparison of two of the best scanning apps from the selling family. Then, they use their knowledge of what's been successful in the past to decide whether they think it'll be a product worth selling. This couple went to the Walmarts near their home so often that they knew all the sales managers, and would often be given a discount for buying up all of the video games, which sometimes involved purchasing hundreds of them at a time. Retail arbitrage isn't for everyone, because it involves a lot of research and time to find places that are having crazy liquidation and clearance sales. There are even sites you can subscribe to that will give you the inside scoop on where to go for the cheapest liquidation sales. Plus, it will most likely involve driving to the retail location to pick up the items. Number 4. Work as a warehouse associate. If you're in the proper location, you can apply to be a delivery warehouse associate for their fulfillment centers, sortation centers, delivery stations, Prime Now locations, campus pickup points, and customer service centers. You can filter your search by full or part-time positions, and by location. Number 5. Amazon Flex. Sometimes when I order from Amazon, I notice plainclothes delivery associates delivering my packages. Amazon's same-day delivery option for customers has sparked a need for more delivery help in various metropolitan areas. If you have a reliable car and a smartphone, consider delivering goods through Amazon Prime. Amazon Flex currently pays anywhere from $18 to $25 per hour, and you need to download the app and answer a few simple questions before you can get started. They emphasize flexibility and availability of shifts, but the downside is there aren't always opportunities in your area. I have a friend who does this to earn extra income, and he says he often finishes his shift a few hours early, but still gets paid for the entire 5 hours, or preset hours. Of course, this may not be true for everyone who delivers for Amazon, but it's nice to know you can finish early, but still get compensated for the agreed upon time. Number 6. Work from home for Amazon. If you want a job where you can be home-based, consider a spot on Amazon's virtual customer service team, also known as Amazon's Work from Home Customer Service Associate. Virtual opportunities aren't available everywhere, but if you live in a certain area, you may be able to apply for Amazon's work from home positions, given that you're qualified and a right fit for the position. The base pay on average is $20 an hour, and full and part-time positions are only available in certain areas. However, you can filter your search by the work from home category and by location. This is more of a seasonal position, but has the potential to become a permanent. There were all kinds of positions listed, such as customer service rep positions for those who speak a second language other than English. There are also non-customer service positions that those with a qualified tech background could potentially apply for, such as cloud tech account managers and technical trainer. Number 7. Become an Amazon affiliate. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant way to make some passive income if you have a blog or website that generates a decent volume of traffic. Become an Amazon affiliate and earn a commission by putting special affiliate links to various Amazon products on your site. The idea is to promote products that align with your blog or website's mission. So, if you have a website about how to travel efficiently, you may promote items such as packing cubes, sturdy suitcases, or wrinkle-free clothing. Each time someone who comes through your website clicks on the affiliate link, you'll earn some money. You can earn anywhere from 4% to 8.5% of a sale. Keep in mind that commissions are generally really low, which is why you need a significant amount of traffic to your site. The more page views you have, the more chances are that the links will get clicks. No traffic means no chance that anyone will see those links to be clicked on. Amazon offers a progressive earning structure on the majority of merchandise, and the more clicks and purchases you get from your site, the more you can make. Number 8. Publish an ebook on Amazon. You can self-publish an ebook on Amazon, and each time you sell, Amazon takes a cut, ranging from 35 to 70% of the listing. I know what you're thinking, me. Write a book. That's crazy, I don't have time for that or even know where to begin. Writing and publishing an ebook sounds unachievable, and I haven't done this personally, but I know a lot about it because I'm an avid reader of ebooks from Amazon. I subscribe to Kindle Unlimited. Membership is $9.99 a month. It's given me an opportunity to not only read the ebooks and learn from them, but I'm also able to see what kind of content resonates with others on the site, through reading reviews. Over the years, I've learned that you don't need to create a potential Pulitzer Prize book in order to get published on Amazon. Because it's a self-publishing platform, anyone can do it, and many self-made authors have used Amazon to help strengthen their expertise in their particular subject matter. You can write about and publish something you feel very passionately about. Many of the ebooks I've read aren't very long either, a lot are under 100 pages and very consumable. The quality of the ebooks I've purchased over the years is all over the place too, which tells me that anyone can do it. If you enjoy creative writing or have expert knowledge on certain subjects, consider writing an ebook on Amazon. As with anything you publish online, you'll need to be proactive about promoting it and getting the word out and market it. Just because you publish it on Amazon won't mean customers will constantly be purchasing your book. You can use Kindle Direct Publishing, owned by Amazon, to get started. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.